Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to upload music on Telegram channel. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Telegram app. Then get into a channel where you are an admin, and right now, in order to add a music to that Telegram channel, all you have to do is right here tap at that paperclip icon. That gives you that extra options. It shows your camera roll pictures right here and a small toolbar at the bottom of the screen. Right here at that toolbar, you can easily find that file icon. You can tap on that to be able to upload here some file. You can add any type of files here. It can be PDF file or a zip archive or a text file, whatever. And also you can upload music files. So all you have to do now is just find music file at your device. You can hit at select from files, cause I keep music files at my device files folder. It shows up recents, and from here you can scroll down through all of your files, and just by check marking those files you can add them to your channel. Also, you can use search to be able to find the file by file's name. Here I got some music files. I can just tap on one of them to check mark it, and after that you can hit at open to send this file to your channel. Also, you can check mark multiple files at once to send them all. So I'm gonna just hit at open, and the file is being uploaded to Telegram servers, and after the process is finished, the file will be sent to your Telegram channel, just like that. And now anyone in the channel can hit at that play icon to listen to that sound. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Telegram tutorials playlist where you will find another useful tutorials. Just check the links in description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.